All right, today we're going to go over a demonstration of a oxygen concentrator. Now, what this demonstration is going to include is a little bit of information, a little bit of detail on what the function of the oxygen concentrator and the purpose and the reason behind the oxygen concentrator. All right, first off, everybody's oxygen level should be between 90 and 100% sat. So your O2 sat should be between 90 and 100. Whenever your O2 sat drops to 89 or less, that's when the doctor will prescribe oxygen. What a lot of people don't realize, what a lot of people don't know, oxygen is classified as a drug. So the same way that a doctor writes a prescription for gout, acid reflux, high blood pressure, a doctor has to write a prescription for oxygen. And what this machine is called an oxygen concentrator, meaning it's gonna make its own oxygen off the room. So basically you won't be able to see it with the naked eye, but in this little black filter area, when I turn the machine on, it's gonna pull the nitrogen and the oxygen through this black filter area. It's gonna concentrate the pure oxygen and disperse it through this fixed outlet. Okay, the machine is to be very, very simple to operate, very easy. Zero will be off, one will be on. Now in the front of the machine, it's labeled from 1 to 5, and that'll be your liter flow. Because if you heard what I've just reiterated, that oxygen classified as a drug, so everybody has a different liter flow or different prescription liter. All right, for the standard, most cases, 2 liters is a standard ordering form for oxygen. And what that means is, since I stated that oxygen level should be between 90 and 100, what that means is it takes that particular individual 2 liters of oxygen per minute to raise their oxygen level up to 90 or above. Depending on the respiratory strength or ability or ailments, some people may require 3 liters of oxygen per minute, 4, 5, and so on. All right, so we're gonna stick with the standard basis of 2 liters per minute. 0 is gonna be off, 1's gonna be on. When I turn it on, all 3 of these lights will light up. Red light, yellow light, green light. Just like a traffic light, red, yellow, green. It's gonna make a little buzz the first 3 seconds. Red and the yellow light will go off, and I can control the amount of oxygen that comes out of this outlet with this black knob. Now when I put it to the prescribed amount of 2 liters per minute, I'm gonna be on the dark line and a little bit over the line, about right in there. Okay. There's 2 types of tubing I'm gonna attach to the concentrator. The first tubing will be a 7-foot oxygen regular tube. All right. Now, depending on each individual and depending on your sinus or your nasal passage, some people require a use of a humidifier bottle, which is this. So I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate how to attach the humidifier bottle, just in case you may or may not need it. Some use it, some don't. It's a case by case, person by person preference. Now on this humidifier bottle, this particular brand is gonna have minimum line, maximum line. So what I wanna do is pour distilled water about a little bit over the minimum line. I don't wanna go too high because I don't wanna overcompensate the stem that's gonna be surrounded by the water. So the minimum lines here, I'm gonna go about right there. All right, so I get distilled water. It'll be this. It's gonna be distilled. It won't be purified. It won't be drinking water. It won't be uh, spring water. Say distilled water on the label.